Now in this video, I just want to go over the exact process that we use to deliver amazing results for our clients at WSM Media. Now in order to understand this diagram here, you need a basic understanding of what a client acquisition funnel is in marketing. So basically a client acquisition funnel enables us to take a prospect down a tailored path from the top of the funnel down to the bottom of the funnel, which has the end goal of the prospect buying. And this diagram shows our proven process on how we consistently add an extra $50,000 to $150,000 to our client's bottom line. So if we start off in the yellow, we've got three components: the foundational copywriting, the analysis, and the research. So once we have a detailed understanding of these metrics and the ideal customers, their characteristics and their personality traits, then we can publish the first iteration of the ads. So if we move on to the green, the testing of the traffic. So we usually test 5 or more lookalike audiences from the ADT. Now the ADT is the avatar-driven targeting, and we derive this from the building foundation phase of the top 1% of those audiences. And we also test the 5 or more interests from the ADT. Now moving on into the scaling of the traffic. So are KPIs being met? If the ROAS has been a priority, if they're not, then we analyze the data gathered and launch the next iteration. If they are being met, is the ROAS large enough for us to scale? If they are, then we can start increasing the budget and duplicate into a scaling campaign. And if the ROAS isn't large enough to scale, then we let the ad set run and gather more data. So basically, this is when we start to collate the data and make informed decisions on what is and isn't working for scaling. And so with this knowledge, we can then launch new iterations that are 3 to 7x more profitable and scalable. Now moving on into the retargeting warm in the orange. So basically this is the middle of the funnel. So we've got the social following and the engagement will experience massive spike in growth due to running the cold conversion ads. As a result, these audiences are very profitable to target, and we usually see the 5 to 10x ROAS on these audiences. So the three categories are the Instagram engages, the Facebook engages, and the advertisement engages. And then moving on to the bottom of the funnel, which is the retargeting hot in the red. Now these audiences will be the most profitable, and we usually see a 2x to 3x higher return on the bottom of the funnel to the top of the funnel. Now the 4 types of standard audiences that we create that pertains to the e-commerce. So we've got VC, which stands for view content, PV, which is page view, add to cart, which is ATC, and initiate checkout, which is IC. Now we usually segregate these 4 audiences into the number of days. So from day 7, 14, and 30. Now, if we move on to the purchase phase, we usually run a post-purchase or retention campaign where we have a new product launch or a higher priced version of the current product. And we also usually have social proof plus user-generated content in these campaigns. Now in the middle of the funnel plus the bottom of the funnel, now this section is most effective when you go offer heavy. Everyone who is in these audiences already know for the most part what your product is and how it can help them. So now they simply need an incentive or reason to buy right now. That's why it's important to have a product-focused creative and user-generated content so potential customers can physically see what they're going to get when they buy the product. Now, I always say this, when it comes to scaling any e-com or info product brand to multi 6, 7, and 8 figures, the number one thing you must have is ads that strike a nerve within your ideal customer. So it always comes down to a copy, the creative, and a compelling offer. Now, this is how we are able to generate unmatched results for our clients because we leverage expert copywriting and we work one-on-one with our clients to make an offer that their ideal customer cannot refuse. And this is the only way you will be able to convert complete strangers into a lifetime customer at scale. Without this formula that I've shown you today, you'll be hurtfully unprofitable. So I'd love to have a conversation with you sometime soon, a personal session with myself. I'll break down exactly how we can help. Now, we're supremely confident in what we do, and we've crafted the systems over the last 3 years. Now, we're at the stage now with the company where we're not blanketing thousands of emails or taking on any businesses that come to us. We're just looking to work with people who want to grow And from looking into your socials from the front end, there are some pointers that to me matches our mission for growth, which is why we're reaching out. So I implore you again to go ahead and schedule that call. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.